I had a comment on YouTube yesterday about a gentleman that's very concerned that we operate with our vessels like this. We have got no other choice. The closest hard service harbour with a ramp from here is the Richards Bay. That's 90 kilometers by road. You must check our roads and see how dangerous it is to travel on a road. You can't lug this vessels to Richards Bay on a daily basis. It won't be worthwhile. So because most of our launches in South Africa is off a beach, all these vessels, especially butcat and carrycat, species that you see on the beach now, they are extra well designed to handle this type of strain that has been put on them. And then there's a 5-year maintenance plan and inspection on the hulls to make sure that they are not damaged or cracked. And rest assured, these boats are not built to American standards or European standards. These are built to South African standards. They extra thick hulls with extra layers of gel coat, and there is a sacrificial stainless steel metal strip that also helps to prevent the friction on the sand. But yes, it's heavy on maintenance, yes, it's heavy on the vessels, and yes, the vessels are specifically designed for the job. And now they're going to hook the fluke. And Legacy is the first one on the launch pad. Some of the skippers with the lighter vessels can afford to offload closer to the water. But that 8.3 meter carrycat, a little bit more difficult to get it off the trailer on the uphill. And that is a 9 meter carrycat, 3.25 meters wide, weighing in at roughly just around 3 tons. And that 8.3 carrycat is powered by two 200 4-stroke 4-cylinder Suzukis, and they don't have any skegs, and they've got the sacrificial stainless steel strip on the keel. The motors is on the outmount to give a little bit more of a dryness on a wet deck. A wet deck is when the boat fills up with water and it can drain off quickly, which the charter boats is not that much. Surf conditions has changed a lot over the years. Izan found a beautiful gap 45 to the south. Happy hunting, enjoy your day. Barend got a boat full of precious cargo there today. 1, 2, 3, 4 young ones. So yeah, traditionally, when there was a hard surface mouth here, the waves was much bigger. The skippers weren't competent, trained well in how to handle the waves, and the vessels filled up with water very quickly. So you had a runoff deck that got rid of the water quickly. Nowadays, flat beaches, not so big surf, and skippers that's much better trained than many years ago, and they've built up experiences from generation to generation. The boats are a little bit more lenient towards hitting a wave. Barend being pushed, a 6.6 meter butcat with outmounts on the back, 2 100 4-stroke Yamahas. As I said on yesterday's videos, the Yamahas are making a comeback. They used to dominate with the 2 strokes. Then the Suzukis started paying more attention to 4 strokes, the needs of the skippers. the durability, the trustworthiness, and they dominated the market for close to 10, 11 years, maybe more. Warrant on the power, very, very easy launch here today. Pushed right into a beautiful gap. Is that one going to close up in front of them? Because normally here in the gullies they stand up quickly and forcefully. No, Barton's got it perfectly timed. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. You can hear the strain on the pole, the vessel, and the tractor with the heavy vessel. Makes for a nice comfortable ride once it's in the water. It's very shallow here. Stuart is going to have a difficult floating Ocean Commotion out today. Those scuff marks on the bottom of Ocean Commotion is not from a wear and tear. It had anti-foul on it. It was a harbour vessel, launched through harbours, and now it's a surf launching vessel. It doesn't need the anti-foul. Ocean Commotion is floating nicely. The tide is taking it. Stuart's applying positive pressure. It's closing up in front of Stuart. That's not nice. Why is it doing that to Stuart? What you going to do, Stuart? You're going to face them? Pretty much don't think you're going to turn. Stuart is facing them. Hanging back. Just going to push 45 to the north. He has to bash that one. That's not a problem for the 9 meter. Up and over. You can hear that V6 is roaring. 2 V6 200 4-stroke Suzuki's. Happy hunting, enjoy the day. Next one on the launch pad, Free Spirit 2, 8.3 meter Butcat, 200 4-stroke Suzuki's on the back. Josh and Sean Mansfield on the vessel today. Sean's the skipper. Josh came over from Maverick, joined the company. And Josh is that young man with that on the channel, smallest boat to surf launch or something like that, that I made the title. You guys can go and have a look. One thing that you can't argue with, if Richard Beranson is probably the world leader with that. A company's asset is the employer. And yeah, what can I say? Sean using the speed of the 8.3 meter to get through the surf. Well done, happy hunting, enjoy the day. The 8.3 meter Game Fisher Butcat XL means the motors is in the out mount. 200 4-cylinder 4-stroke Suzuki's on the back. Effectively, Wave Dancer is bigger than Ocean Commotion. But that's just on paper. Ocean Commotion has got the deeper hull, gunnels, wider girth, so weighs a lot more. Leon on the power. Turning 45 to the south. Happy hunting, enjoy the day.